Kid-friendly TV. Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid-friendly TV, and today I'm here with Blake, and we're playing with this awesome Thomas and Friends train set. Are you excited, Blake? Look at this cool train set. Look, there's Thomas. Let's put him on the train track. Let's see what happens. Let's turn him on. Watch your fingers. Here he goes. Watch him. He's gonna go around the track. Is that cool? Whoa! It's your hand. Is that fun? There goes Thomas. Is it choo-choo? Whoa. What? We have Percy. Look, Blake, we have Percy. This is Percy. Let's open him up. Look, there's Percy, Blake. Percy, yeah. Now you have two trains. Yeah. Look, Blake, here's Percy. He's green. Yeah, 6. Yeah, 6. Good job. Do you want to put Percy on the train track? Watch, Blake. Whoa. Look. Here he goes. Whoa. Cool. So funny. Whoa. Here goes Percy. Do you want to put Thomas on there too? Yeah, let's put Thomas on. There goes Thomas. Look at him. Whoa. Uh-oh. You want to put Thomas back on? Here he goes. Whoa. Hey, say choo-choo. Yeah, choo-choo. Whoa. Uh-oh. I'm gonna put him back on. Good job. Wow. Here they go. Okay. Let's take the car off, Blake, and try Percy without his car. Ready? Watch him. Oh, you want to put this one on? You want to put Thomas on? What do you think? Yeah, Percy. And that's Thomas. Yeah. Uh-oh. Wow. Yeah, Percy. Good job, Blake. Wanna put him on? Put Thomas on? Good job. Good job. Oh no. Uh-oh. Thomas fell. Gonna put him on? Okay. Here he goes. Thomas. That's Thomas. Oh, he crawled up your hand. Ready? Put your hand. Whoa, good job. get Percy. Okay, hold on. Let's let Thomas go. Ready? Go. Yeah, go. Here they go. Here they go. Oh no. Ah, they crashed. You gonna do it again? Here comes a crash. Whoa. Oh no, Blake. You do it. Blake, do it. Blake, do it. You wanna do it? Yeah, you do it. Good job. Here it comes. Train. Uh-oh. Oh. He's gonna crawl with you. We had so much fun playing with you guys today with this Thomas and Friends train set, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to Kid Friendly TV for more daily fun toy videos. Can you say bye, Blake? Bye. Bye. Let's see if the babies like Elmo.
Hey babies! It's Elmo! Hey baby! Oh, you knocked that over, baby, over! Give Elmo a kiss.